Hello everyone and welcome back to Health Oasis. Today, we have a crucial topic to discuss that often goes under the radar. We'll be talking about the signs of breast cancer in men. That's right, gentlemen, breast cancer isn't just a women's issue. It can affect men too, and it's vital that we all understand the signs, risk factors, and what to do if you suspect something isn't right. But before we dive into this important discussion, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. And for our returning viewers, thank you for your continued support. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is breast cancer in men? Well, it's similar to breast cancer in women, but it's much less common. The reality is, breast cancer doesn't discriminate. It can affect anyone, regardless of gender. That means, we should never ignore it. Breast cancer in men typically starts in the breast tissue but can spread to other parts of the body if not detected and treated early. Today, we are going to break down the signs and symptoms, risk factors, diagnosis, treatment options, and much more to empower you with knowledge and awareness. Now, before we delve into the details, please remember that this video is for informational purposes only. If you, or someone you know is experiencing any of the symptoms we discuss, it's crucial to seek professional medical advice. Early detection can make a world of difference in the outcome of breast cancer. Alright, let's jump right in and discuss the signs and symptoms of breast cancer in men. One of the key challenges with breast cancer in men is that the symptoms often go unnoticed or are misinterpreted. The most common symptom is a lump or mass in the breast or underarm. It's essential to perform regular self-exams, just like women do, to detect any unusual changes. While most breast lumps in men are not cancerous, they should always be checked by a healthcare provider. When conducting a self-exam, use the pads of your fingers to feel for any irregularities in the breast tissue and underarms. If you notice a lump or any unusual changes, don't panic, but do make an appointment with your doctor. Also, changes in breast appearance or skin can be subtle but important to recognize. Look for any unusual redness, warmth, dimpling, or puckering of the skin. These changes can sometimes indicate an underlying issue, so it's essential not to dismiss them. Another concerning symptom is nipple discharge, especially if it's spontaneous, bloody, or only occurring from one nipple. This is something that should be investigated by a healthcare professional promptly. Lastly, some men may experience pain or discomfort in the breast area. While this can be caused by various factors, including muscle strain or injury, it's essential to have any persistent or unusual pain evaluated. Now let's look at some potential causes and risk factors for breast cancer in men. Genetic mutations. Inherited gene mutations, such as BRCA1 and BRCA2, can increase the risk of breast cancer in both men and women. Men with these mutations are at a higher risk. Age. As with women, the risk of breast cancer in men increases with age. The majority of male breast cancer cases occur in men over the age of 60. Family history. A family history of breast cancer, particularly in close relatives like a mother, sister, or daughter, can elevate a man's risk of developing breast cancer. Hormonal imbalances. Conditions that lead to hormonal imbalances in men, such as Klinefelter syndrome or exposure to estrogen-like substances, may increase the risk of breast cancer. Radiation exposure. Previous radiation treatments to the chest area, such as for lymphoma or other cancers, can raise the risk of breast cancer in both men and women. It's important to note that while these factors can increase the risk, many men with breast cancer have no identifiable risk factors, and breast cancer can occur in men without any known cause or family history. Regular medical checkups and early detection through self-examinations can help diagnose breast cancer in its early stages, improving the chances of successful treatment. Thank you for joining us today on this important journey to raise awareness about breast cancer in men. If you found this information valuable, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can make a difference.